I finally made the easiest French toast, widely known as Toast Mayai, and this is how it turned out. Welcome back to Winnfrey's Kitchen family, and don't forget to subscribe.
Winnfrey's Kitchen!
So what we'll need is 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, slices of bread depending on how many you want, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of butter or margarine, and a pinch of salt to taste. First, we'll crack the eggs in a bowl. Then mix this with milk, spices and salt together.
Wow!
Then we'll whisk this thoroughly. In a pan, add some oil and margarine or butter and allow this to melt. Then in the same bowl containing the mixture, we'll dip the slices of bread. When all the sides are completely coated, we'll pan fry the bread until golden brown. Keep turning to prevent the bread from burning, and once you're satisfied with the brown, we'll remove the bread. We'll repeat this process with all the other slices of bread, and there you have it. The French toast or Toast Mayai turned out way better than I imagined it would. Sprinkle this with a little bit of flour, dazzle with honey, and enjoy it with a cup of your favorite tea or coffee. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Comment below what you'd like to see me make next and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen. See you in the next video.
Follow for more!